Okay, of course, you have to start. Okay, ulitin ko lang, no? Yung ginawa ni Sir from that time na pagkatapos siya ng fifth cycle, nagkasa siya ng breathing, ng circulation. Okay? 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Positive pulse, negative breathing.
Okay, we have positive pulse and negative breathing. Sir, please reactivate medical assistance aside from my rescue breathing.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, start with ventilation.
May kawakan sa ano na.
Okay, repeat. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,001. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,002. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,005. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,006. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,007.
Nakita ni stretch mo ako.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,008. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,009. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,010. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,011. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,012. And with ventilation. Then assess. But then yung kamay nyo nasa pulse ko rin, no? Assess. Observe your LLF. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
Positive. Positive pulse, negative breathing.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Next up.
Positive pulse, negative breathing.
Positive pulse, negative breathing, so I still have to continue my rescue breathing. Start with ventilation.
Air bounce.
1. Air bounces back. So, as you got anatomical obstruction, reduce the head.
Still air bounces back.
Still air bounces back. So, I'm going to do my chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Check for obstruction.
Obstruction C.
Middle finger sweeping. Pero since dami ko, huwag niya sa side yung ulo, no? Middle finger sweeping.
Obstruction has been removed.
Okay, check for the passage of my air of the patient's airway.
Air goes in.
Air goes in. Check for 2 times. You have to do it 2 times.
Air goes in.
Okay, to check for the breathing. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Okay. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. Sir, follow up medical assistance sa do my secondary survey. Please follow up transport facility as I do my secondary survey. Okay? What? Positive pulse and positive breathing na kasi. Wala nang gagawin.
So pag positive pulse, positive breathing, second